hope you're all well and staying safe and carrying on doing lots of work. We're going to do some maths today. We're going to carry on with some fractions. Do a quick starter, warm up. We're going to do fractions of an amount today. You're going to have a go. Then I'm going to talk about non-unit fractions and then a little task. So you'll need to go and grab a pen and paper or a whiteboard and pen, something to write on. Pause the video. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so with fractions, we need to be really super whizzy with our times tables. So I've put a few times tables up for you. They're a mixture, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 8s. Have a little go, set yourself 2 minutes, pause the video, off you go. Okay, so here are your answers. Want to have a quick check of those? Check you got them all right. I'm sure you did because you're doing times tables rock stars lots, so I hear. It's really good. So check they're all okay. 3 4s are 12, 4 8s are 32, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 5 is 20, 2 times 6 is 12, 8 times 5 is 40, 6 times 8 is 48, 4 times 7 28, 6 times 4 24, 5 times 6 30, 3 times 5 15, 4 times 4 is 16. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to whiz on. So we're just going to quickly recap. Mrs. Gadd talked about the two parts of a fraction. Our top one is the numerator and our bottom is a denominator. Remember, because they dominate the whole number. So we're going to find fractions of an amount. Now the amount I'm going to use for my examples is number, let's hope that stays there, number 12. Okay, we're going to be using part whole model and a bar model to help you. So this should be fairly straightforward. Half of 12 equals what? Right, we need to do a little bit of sharing here. So our whole number is 12. There's our whole number. We've got to share our 12 into 2. We've got to divide into 2 parts. I'm going to show you this way. This might help you, and then I'll do it differently. So I'm going to divide my 12 into 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now Mrs. Gadd also said last week that the parts need to be equal, must be equal. Have I got equal parts? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in here. They're equal. Brilliant. So on my bar model, my whole number is 12. I need to split this into 2 because that's my denominator. 12 into 2. I've got 6 in this side and 6 in this side. So 1 half of 12 is this one here, 6. 1 half of 12 is 6. Now we know in our maths and our times tables, 2 times 6 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. Okay, so nice easy one. Carry on using 12. 1. So our denominator now has changed from 2 to 3. So 1/3 of 12. Our numerator is 1. So my whole number is 12 still. I've got 3 parts now. 1, 2, 3. Now, using my maths, my times tables head, 3 into 12, got to be equal. 3, what's a 12? 3 4s are 12. You can do the dots of sharing if that helps you. 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. On my bar model, 12. I split my bottom bar into 3. 1, 2, 3. I've got my 3 here. 12. Shared is 4. Using my paper. So 1 of these 3, is, losing my paper. Pop it back up there. So 1/3 is 4. We know that 3 times 4 is 12. 1 quarter, 1/4, 1/4 of 12. Our denominator has changed to 4. My whole number is 12. I need 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what do we know about 4 and 12 and the shared into? We know 3 4s are 12. 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is my whole number here. I'm going to split this into 4 because that's my denominator. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one is 3. 1 is my numerator. I need to go to there. I need 1 quarter. 1 quarter is here, and that is 3. 1 quarter is 3. 1 quarter of 12 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Right, pause the video. It's your turn. Have a go at a couple of these. Off you go. Using your bar model and your part whole model. Fantastic. Ooh, should we just quickly do those ones, hopefully? So, half of 22. 22 is our whole. We're doing it into 2. Half of 20. 10. Half of 2. 1. 10 half 1 is 11. Oh, I know that 22 is an 11 times table. 2 times 11 is 22. My bar model, 22. So 1 half of 22 is 11. 1 quarter. Right quarter. 20 is my whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my denominator, so I need 4 parts. 4's and 20. 24, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes. So our model would be split into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My whole number would be 20, and it would be 5, 5, 5, 5. So 1 quarter of 20 is 5. Right. Non-unit fractions. Very, very quickly. Now, a non-unit fraction means that the numerator, that top number, is greater than 1. So, for example, we've got 2/3, 3/4, 5/8. As long as the top number is smaller than 1, it's a non-unit. So, 2/3 of 15. So, we've got our whole number is 15, and our denominator is 3. So, I need to share it 15 3 ways. So, 15 shared into 3. What do I know? Oh, I know that 5, I have 3 5s are 15. There we go. 15 in the bar model. I need to split my bar model into 3. 5, 10, 15. Now I need to find 2/3, not 1. This time I need 2/3. 2 of them. 1/3, 2/3. My 2/3, 5, add 5 equals 10. Or 2 times 5 equals 10. So 2/3 of 15 is 10. And you can pause the video at any point and go back if I'm whizzing through it too quick. 3/4 of 28. So I've got my whole number is 28. That's non-unit fraction because 3 is more than 1. 28 I've got to make 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what do I know about 28 and 4? If you're not sure, share them out. 1, 2 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. up to 28. Or, I know that 4 7s are 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. Because I know my 7 times table, just like that. My bar model, 28, I need to split it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. I've got to find 3/4. There's 1/4, there's 2/4, there's 3/4. 3/4. 7 times how many? 1, 2, 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. My part whole model, I can circle those ones. I can add them together. 7 add 7 add 7 equals 21. So 3/4 of 28 is 21. And finally, 6/8. Now that sounds quite hard, but we can do this. part whole model. So we've got our whole number is 32. We've got to split it 8 times. That's our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, what do I know about 8 and 32? 4 8s are 32. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Yes, I know that 4 times 8 is 32. Brilliant. So I've got 8 lots of 4. In my bar model, I would write 32. I split this at 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. There we go. I'm going to find 6 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4. We can do it that way, or we know our times table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down here. 6. I'll do it up here so you can see. 6 times 4. Oh, goodness me, sorry. 6 times 4. 6 4s are 24. So 6 8s. 24. Whew! Right. I don't know about your brain, but mine's going a bit crazy. So your challenge, a couple of tasks. How about some blue tack? Get some blue tack. Task 1, using your part whole model. Have a go at these. These are just total fractions of amounts. And then I'm going to move on to task 2. A bit more of a challenge. They're the non-unit fractions. Hopefully you can see those okay. Okay, pause the video, have a go. Okay, welcome back. So here are the answers. Task 1 answers. I'm going to leave them up here for you just to check them over, because you've had enough of me going. So just check you've got a similar answer, got the right answer, if you've got the right methods. Pause the video, check. Okay, and finally, if you want a bit of a challenge, any more blue tack. Which is the challenge? I wrote it on here because I've yeah, it's on the same sheet. So challenge is something quarter of 20. What is that? Have a go. And here are the answers. Okay, stay well, hope you managed that. Go over it again if I whiz through it too quickly, but stay safe and we'll see you soon. Take care.